Someone sent me a question about how do I show different kinds of work that I have done in my portfolio. I have experience in building 4 5 different things that she's mentioned, and now I'm trying to figure out how to offer these as services. As creative professionals, we're multi passionate, we're multi potentialites, and we work on a whole range of different things, especially in the early years of our career. We're excited by opportunities and we just go ahead and work on those projects. Now, how you put it in your portfolio, again, it varies throughout your career. You're very early on in your career, I would say like the first 5 to even 10 years, you might want to keep exploring. You might want to try out the different industries that you can work with. You might want to try out different forms of creative expression. And I would say keep everything in your portfolio. The best you can do is create categories for each thing and just mention the kind of work that you have experience doing. As you get more senior, some of it can start getting removed from your portfolio, and that will depend on two things. One is what are you really becoming an expert on and want to keep doing? And the other is kind of the reverse of that question, that even if you're not very clear on what you want to keep doing, what is it that you absolutely do not want to do? Because that is something that can start going out of your portfolio. But I know it's not so easy to let go of work from your portfolio as well. I've had a lot of trouble doing that because there's a lot of graphic design work, a lot of writing work, which I really love, I'm so proud of, but it doesn't make sense to put it on my website anymore because I just don't offer those as services. Here's what helped me. I have to remember, and I ask you to remember, that our portfolios aren't our autobiographies. They don't have to have everything about our life. They're a glimpse of our professional abilities at a particular point of time. That's all. You just have to think about what is the kind of work you want to do going forward and what is the most relevant work from the past to reflect those abilities. That's all. So you can let go of everything else.